Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix 100% CPU usage on Windows 10 computer. Let's fix that issue guys. For that you just right click on the taskbar and select task manager. In here you just need to search for CX, listed the name guys, CXUIUSVC service. If you find anything here named as, you just want to right click on it and select end task. And after doing it, I will be given in my video in here guys the name of it. Just want to search for it. If you find anything named as CXUIUSVC service, just want to right click on it and select end task. And after doing it, right click, close out of here, and right click on the start icon, select run. In here you just need to type msconfig, click OK. In here go to services tab and select hide all Microsoft service and select disable all and select apply and OK. And don't restart it guys. Now we just need to do another one thing. Close out of here, exit without restart, click on it and right click on the taskbar and select task manager and select the startup tab. And in here you just need to disable everything over here. You just want to right click on it and disable everything over here guys. Everything listed over here, you just want to disable it. And after doing it, go ahead and restart your PC guys. After restarting your PC, your problem will be resolved. You can able to see it, the speed of your computer has been increased. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.